What's up guys, I'm Fortner. This is my 2016 AMG GTS Time Attack car. We're currently running in street mod with Grid Life. This car has 625 wheel horsepower, a Berkline subframe, KW competition coilovers, full custom splitter by APR, an APR GTC 500 rear wing, which is 74 inches wide, two class specs. We also have this, which is one of my favorite parts. It's the APR GTR Pro carbon fiber fender vents that allows the air to exit from our front splitter up here so we can get better downforce in the front. And we also have full-on bolting cage in the ribbon out of chromoly.
On the interior?
So on the interior we just have a 4-point harness in there. I want to get a 6-point, but right now we only have the stock seats in there, so it's just enough to kind of hold me in because the car does pull some pretty ridiculous G's on track, especially with these KWs. And then other than that, that's about it. I mean, it's still a very, very new build, but I couldn't be happier with like how it is so far.
How much horsepower are you making?
625 at the wheels.
And what are your times that you're running this weekend here at Gingerman at Grid Life Midwest?
This weekend we're at a 135.5, and I do want to go faster, but we had a couple of issues with the car. But I'm still very happy with how this weekend went.
Awesome, man. I really appreciate you sharing your build. We're gonna cut to some footage that you did some ride-alongs earlier today. Besides that, I'll catch you later, bud.
Awesome.